Okay, go ahead, please, go ahead.
I think there was one.
Oh, on up. So, about that Atlantis, right? Why these non-Jews are so interested in Atlantis?
Yes.
Yeah, that's a good question. So I didn't do my research. I never knew about Atlantis, but my guess. So could you put yourself on mute for now? Because it's a lot of background noise. Thank you. Sorry. So the way I understand, so it's just my theory. I didn't look into it. That probably it was a civilization before the flood. So before the flood, the layout of the earth was much different, right? So all of these continents were connected, if you know the history, right? And so after the flood, it was reshaped, and some of the parts of it went under the water. So it's not so this story is not such a far-fetched idea. It's very, very, very well could be like what I just explained. So some civilizations were wiped out because it was like they useless. Understand? Useless in a sense that would not do teshuva for whatever they did. So is it compliment they were drowned in the water? I don't think so.